Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing, assembly, and review of the autonomous SmartDesk. Let's go do it. Before we begin, I thought I would show you the desk that we'll be replacing. This is an old desk. It actually came with the house, so it's what Sally used for her school and stuff. So we're going to change this out and replace it with the autonomous SmartDesk. Okay, this looked like quite a number of parts, but it's really not that intimidating. The most important is this right here, the assembly instructions. So we're going to follow this and put this thing together. Okay, that took a little longer than we thought, but we got it together. Now let's set it up. To set it up, it says to press the up and down button at the same time until you hear a beep. Oh, there it is. Oh. Then release both buttons. I can adjust the height, see? So you just press the up button to raise the desk. Press the down button. Press the down button. What are you doing, son? Press the down button.
I want to see how tall it goes.
Yeah, it goes up pretty high. So now that's a stand-up desk. So now Sally's adjusting it. So basically you press the M button until the LED flashes, and then you press the number that you want to, the LED is flashing. Now press, there you go, number one, program number one. Okay, now Sally programming the standing height. You want to test it out? Okay, raise it up, go back to number one, and there you go, it goes back to where it was before.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, now adjust it to the standing height, and that'll be your program number two. You could adjust it in 0.1 inch increment. Now just hit memory, blink, hit number two. There you go, program number two. There we go, pretty awesome. Autonomous claims this desk can support up to 300 pounds. So we're going to test it out. I'm 200 pounds. We're going to, I guess.
You're going to break my desk.
Sally thinks it's going to break it, but I don't think so. So we're going to try it. Lifting me up.
Oh God, if you die, it's going to be the stupidest way to go.
Wow. Look at that. These motors are pretty powerful. So, yep. Go back down. Cool. So if you can support 200 pounds, you should have no problem putting in your computer, monitor, whatever stuff you put on your desk, and you have no problem moving up and down. It's available in 5 finishes. We got the white, so you can get white, black, oak, and I believe bamboo as well, and one other. And you can customize it. The legs can be black or white, so you can mix and match. I got white top, white legs, but you can do white top, black leg, bamboo, up to you. Link to buy this product will be below this video. But yeah, I quite like it. Assembly was a little more involved, but it was okay. You should be able to put this together in about half an hour or so. And once it's plugged in and programming is easy, you're set up. Now you got a desk where you can work sitting down or work standing up. John Chow for johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share, subscribe to my video, and I'll see you guys next time.